Hello students, let's solve this question. A mountain climber is sliding down a vertical rope. Her total mass, including the equipments, is 65 kg. By adjusting the friction in the rope, she controls the tension force on the rope as a function of time is shown in the figure. So the tension in rope versus graph with respect to time is given to us. The speed of mountaineer at the end of 2 seconds if she starts from rest. We need to assume that the initial velocity is 0 and g is 9.8, and we need to find the speed of the mountaineer at the end of 2 seconds. The graph is also given for 0 to 2 second time interval. If we first calculate the weight, which is going out to be 65 kg, which is mass, into g, 65 into g. G is given as 9.8, so I put the value of 9.8 here. So by calculating, I am getting 637 Newton. So the weight of mountaineer is exactly 637 Newton, and she holds a rope. So tension in the rope versus time graph is given to us. So by observation, you can see that the tension maximum is 637 and it is reducing. If the tension is reducing, the weight is going to pull the mountaineer downward, which is 637 Newton. 637 Newton. So definitely the acceleration is going to be downward direction, and that can be written as the 637 Newton weight minus tension by mass. Mass is 65 kg. So if we calculate this by putting the tension initially is 637, so initial tension will become 0. So if I draw a graph of acceleration versus time, as tension is reducing linearly, so acceleration, because here I have a minus t here, so acceleration should increase linearly and it will reach to maximum in 0.2 time, 0.2 second, at which tension is minimum, so acceleration should be maximum. So this time will be 0.2 second. And afterwards, as tension is increasing, so acceleration will be reducing like this. So this should be the graph of acceleration versus time. Now the maximum tension is 312 Newton. So if I put that, I will get a force of 325 Newton divided by 65. So I will get a maximum acceleration of 5 meter per second. Maximum acceleration of 5 meter per second. So acceleration maximum here is 5 meter per second only. 5 meter per second square only. Now acceleration versus time graph is known to me. I need to find out the velocity at the end of 2 seconds, and the graph of acceleration versus time is for 2 seconds only. The area of AT graphs gives me change in velocity, and as the initial velocity is 0, so the change in velocity is going to be the final velocity only. So final velocity should be area of this graph. As you can see, this is a triangle, so its area can be calculated as half base into height. Base is 2, height is 5, so this is going out to be 5 meter per second. So definitely my answer should be C, 5 meter per second. Thank you.